In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Asana. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system to track leads, manage customer touchpoints, and keep your team aligned without switching tools. First, log into Asana and create a new project. When the prompt appears, choose either a blank project if you want full control, or start from a template if you prefer a head start. Give your project a clear, descriptive name like customer relationship management or sales pipeline, so everyone knows exactly what it's for. Next, define the flow of your CRM by creating sections that represent your stages. Common examples include new lead, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, won, and lost. Keep the stages concise and mutually exclusive so it's always obvious where a contact belongs. If you prefer a visual pipeline, switch to board view to drag and drop tasks between stages as deals progress. Now add tasks. Each task represents a single lead or customer. One task per account keeps things clean and makes handoffs easy. Assign ownership so each lead has a clear point person. Ownership is key for accountability and visibility, especially when multiple people touch the same account. Set due dates for follow-ups and next steps. Due dates keep momentum going and help you avoid stalled deals. Use them for callbacks, proposal deadlines, or check-ins after demos. If a date shifts, update it immediately so your schedule reflects reality. Open the Customize menu in your project and click Add Field to capture consistent CRM data. Create fields like stage, deal value, priority, source, or last contacted. Standardizing these fields makes reporting easier and helps you filter and sort your pipeline quickly. Use the task description and comments to log every communication, emails, calls, and meeting notes. Keep notes short, dated, and action-oriented. Add attachments like proposals or call recordings as needed. This creates a comprehensive history that any team member can reference, so context never lives in someone's head or gets lost in inboxes. Finally, automate workflows with rules to reduce manual work. For example, when a task moves to qualified, auto-assign it to the account owner, set a follow-up due date, and add a comment with next steps. You can also trigger notifications when a deal is marked. One or update fields automatically when stages change. That's your lightweight CRM in Asana: organized stages, clear ownership, structured data, and a running history of every touchpoint. Use it daily, keep fields and dates current, and let rules handle the busy work so you can focus on relationships and results.